Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make Griet Bana soup, a well-known Surinmese soup dish. Don't forget to click the subscribe button if you haven't already. So first you're gonna put some oil, and then you're gonna use 1 chopped onion, 3 chopped garlic cloves, fry it up a bit. Then you're gonna add some pre-cooked salt beef, some black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Stir it up and let it fry a bit. Then you're gonna add 2 small tomatoes or 1 really big tomato. Cook it up. And now we're gonna add some smoked chicken. Chop the smoked chicken up in pieces and add to the pot. Stir it up a bit. Add your 2 sticks of celery and leave that fry for about 3 minutes. Then you're gonna add 500 milliliters of coconut milk, and the next 300 milliliters of water. Add your allspice and some bay leaf and bring it to a boil. So now for the sticky gooey part, this is green plantain. You're gonna peel it, cut it, and blend it into this consistency. Then you're gonna add some hot water and you're gonna stir it up until it loosens. When it's all loosened up, you're gonna add it to the soup and you want to stir that. Taste the soup and add salt to your liking. The soup will become thick, so make sure to check the consistency and add a little water if necessary. And leave it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes on low fire. Griet Bana soup. Delicious with rice. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to leave a comment or like this video and share with your friends and family. Ciao!